Welcome! If you've been wondering how to reply to a text message in chat on the Pinterest app on your PC with the newest update, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can respond to messages quickly and keep your conversations flowing smoothly. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. You can do this by launching Pinterest through your web browser and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of the screen where the menu is located. Next, click on the Messages icon in this menu. This will open your inbox, where all your recent chats and conversations are displayed. Scroll through and find the chat where you want to reply to a message. Then click on it to open the chat window. Inside the chat, locate the specific message you want to reply to. When you hover your mouse over this message, a few small icons will appear. Look for the reply icon. It typically looks like a speech bubble or a curved arrow. Click on this reply icon. A text box will then pop up at the bottom of the chat window where you can type your reply. Go ahead and type the message you want to send. When you're ready, simply click the Send button. And that's all there is to it. Your reply will appear directly linked to the original message you responded to, making your conversation clearer and easier to follow. This feature helps keep your chats organized, especially when you have multiple messages going back and forth. Now you know how to reply to a text message in chat on the Pinterest app using your PC with the latest update. Keep these steps in mind and enjoy staying connected with your friends and collaborators on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.